Hello everyone, myself Dr. Taposh Kumar Pal and welcome to our channel PhysioMax Organization. You people are seeing our video series of stretching techniques of our whole body. On the last video we made the stretching for the deep neck extensor muscles. So today we will be showing you how to stretch the upper trapezius muscle. Upper trapezius, one of the most common muscle to be tight among lot of people, those who used to do the desk works, those who used to use the mobile for a prolonged period of time, and that the muscle used to be very common to be tight among this population. Upper trapezius, which is also named as a coat hanger muscle, because this muscle fiber orientation, this muscle fiber, it originates from the inferior nuchal line. This muscle, it comes from the inferior nuchal line with the C1, C2, C3, C4 spinous process on the lateral aspect of the spinous process, and it inserts over the lateral border of the spine of scapula, lateral border of the spine of scapula. So the muscle fiber, it is in this way, and the time the muscle fiber, it is holding the whole the shoulder girdle, that's the reason why it is called as a coat hanger muscle. And whenever we wish to carry any type of bags using like backpacks over our one side of the shoulder, most of the people, they prefer to keep the backpacks on the one sides. That's the muscle used to hold the backpack for a prolonged period of time, and that's the reason why the muscle used to be in a tight position. So today we will learn how to stretch this muscle, because this muscle is very common to be tight among the population, those who are using the desk work, those who are using the neck to be flexed position for a prolonged period of time. Now, what's the procedures? So the first procedures you need to understand, that is your hand placement. Your one hand, suppose this is my right hand and I will be keeping the right hand over the inferior nuchal line, and I will keep the left hand, over the lateral aspect of the spine of scapula, lateral aspect of the spine of scapula. Now in this cross direction I will be doing a lateral flexion of the neck, and at the same time by using my left hand I will be giving a downward pressure. Once more to repeat, my right hand I will be keeping over the inferior nuchal line, my left hand I will be keeping over the shoulder girdle near the acromion process, and via my right hand I will be giving a lateral flexion, via my left hand I will be giving a downward pressure, that's the shoulder depression. In this position we will hold it for 15 seconds to 30 seconds, depends on the condition. This is the way you can stretch the upper trapezius, and you can repeat it for 5 to 7 times. Remember, there is another way you can stretch the upper trapezius. The time you will stretch this upper trapezius using your bilateral hand pressure, mainly the middle fiber of the upper trapezius is to be stretched, mainly the muscle belly is to be stretched. But sometimes the tendon, that's the origin or the insertion of the upper trapezius, that also can be tight. That's the way whenever you will be stretching the origin or the insertion, you can use your unilateral hand pressure. How? That means I will be using my left hand to stable the shoulder girdle, I will be using the right hand to stable the inferior nuchal line. Now I will not give any pressure from the left hand, I will just stable it, and via my right hand I will be giving a lateral head pressure. Here most of the pressure used to come from the right hand over the origin of the upper trapezius muscle. This is the second way how you can stretch the upper trapezius. So there is a two way, one way only where both the hands will give the equal pressure in both the direction. Another way where one hand will be giving a unilateral pressure and the another hand it will just stable. By this we can stretch the upper trapezius muscle. I think you people understood how to stretch the upper trapezius muscle, and if you like this video, don't forget to like it, and of course those who are watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you, and for the next class we will be showing another stretching of our another body muscles. Thank you everyone.